So this is the SS air raid shelter in the town of Oświęcim, formerly Auschwitz, an enormous structure which is currently being used as a warehouse or something. Okay. Okay, right, great. So this is where the SS came during an air raid, and it probably wasn't to the gas chamber number 2. Amazing structure.